Click on the link below to get price. The Zebra ZT231 is a remarkable addition to the realm of industrial printers, effectively serving as a replacement for the Zebra ZT230. One of its most significant advantages is the dual printing capability, allowing for both thermal transfer and direct thermal printing. This versatility makes the ZT231 an ideal choice for businesses that require flexibility in their label printing needs. The build quality of the ZT231 is sturdy and designed for high-volume usage, making it suitable for various environments, from manufacturing floors to retail settings. Its robust construction ensures durability, which is essential for devices that must endure continuous operation. One standout feature of the ZT231 is its user-friendly interface. The LCD display provides clear instructions and status updates, making it easy to navigate through different settings. This simplicity in operation is particularly beneficial for businesses that need to train staff quickly, allowing for a smoother transition when incorporating new technology. Print quality is another highlight of the ZT231. With a resolution of 203 dpi, it produces crisp and clear labels, barcodes, and documents, ensuring that even the smallest details are legible. This is particularly important for industries that rely on precise labeling for inventory management and logistics. Connectivity options are plentiful, with USB, Ethernet, and optional Wi-Fi capabilities. This extensive range of connectivity allows for seamless integration into existing networks, making it easier to share the printer across multiple workstations. The ability to connect wirelessly is a significant advantage for organizations seeking to reduce cable clutter and enhance mobility. On the downside, the initial setup can be a bit daunting for those unfamiliar with thermal printers. However, once configured, maintenance is straightforward, with easy access to printheads and rollers. In conclusion, the Zebra ZT231 stands out for its durability, print quality, and user-friendly features. It's a reliable solution for businesses looking to enhance their printing capabilities while maintaining efficiency and clarity in their operations.